What's going on, everyone? Back here with another hard reset. Today we are doing the Galaxy J4. So if you have one of these and it has a pattern or password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We got a ton more of these videos coming. And if you want to see anything special that we haven't done yet, or you want to see it sooner, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Otherwise, let's get into this hard reset. With this device, we want to make sure that it's turned off. In this case, we already turned it off. We just pulled the battery and put it back in. And what you want to do is you want to hold your home button, which is down here. You have your volume up and volume down here, and hold volume up, and your power button, which is right here, and hold power. So hold all three buttons at the same time. As soon as you see the Samsung logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding the home button and the volume up button, okay? So I'll hold the volume up, home first, and then I'll hit power. Now the phone's on, so I let go of power, but I keep holding the other two. All right, that gets us right to the recovery mode. We want to use our volume buttons to scroll, your power buttons to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Oh, skipped it. There we go. It warns you that this can't be undone because you will delete everything. All right, so that's done. And we can either reboot or power off. We'll just power it off in this case. So hit the power button, and now when you do turn the phone on, it will load to the welcome screen, and you can navigate to the home screen and set it up how you wish. But that is how you do a hard reset on a Galaxy J4. If you guys found this helpful, like I said, if you could like, share, subscribe, we'd appreciate all that, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.